Sister, and today I will be presenting some news. COVID-19 prohibited period to make a shift to smart lockdown. Almost 2 months after the imposition of COVID-19 prohibited period, government authorities have decided to make a shift towards smart lockdown in a bid to smartly manage the ongoing pandemic crisis. The COVID-19 Management Steering Committee has decided to make some changes in the ongoing prohibited order and implement smart lockdown in the bid to facilitate daily lives of people and the economy. And a meeting of Chief District Officer of the Valley decided to extend the prohibited period by introducing more relaxation, including allowing private vehicles to be driven on in the roads based on odds and even basis. The authority have designated design this design separate days in the week to the authorities have designed separate days in a week for running different shops and stores. Thank you for listening and hope you enjoyed it.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arushi Nopane. I am from grade 4 Jaffe. Today I am going to tell the thought of the day for today. Patient people work very hard. Even he or she doesn't get any good results. We need to think positive thoughts. Be positive thoughts. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Kevin Khadagi. I study in grade 2 DAFE. Today I am here to share my thought about the importance of education. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It helps us to be successful and to be a better person. Education improves our knowledge, skills, confidence level and personality. It helps to have a special status in society. Education helps us to take right decisions and it is the key to success in our life. Thank you.